Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with the results of close-up coins. There was 5 £2 coins up for guessing over the course of the week. And here we go then with the answers video. I'm not sure all the comments have saved, unfortunately. Sometimes that does happen. And if you have got them all right, let me know and I will give you a shout out in next week's close-up coins. Coin number 1 then was the Great Fire of London £2 coin, followed up by the return of the Britannia in 2015. If you'd said 2016 Britannia, still completely correct. Coin number 3 then, another edge. And I did try and trick you with the example on the front. A few of you cottoned on as well. And maybe being sneaky isn't working anymore. Coin number 4 then, an absolute beauty and definitely one of my favourites. It's the Navy First World War Commemorative 1914 to 1918. What a beauty. Coin number 5 then, not a £2 that is in circulation. Few of you managing to get this one correct. It's the 1986 Commonwealth Games Scotland £2 coin. Thought I'd get that one in there with the Commonwealth Games Birmingham currently taking place. Squirreling coins, Norman, Graham and Smithy, 100% record. And again, I'm sure more people did get it correct. The comments have not really worked on this video and I do apologise for that, especially if you have put the time in to get them all correct. Again, if you did get 5 out of 5 or any for that matter, please do let me know. I'll give you a shout out in the next close-up coins video, which will be going up this evening. Have a great weekend, stay safe, good luck in the guest dance coin as well over the course of the weekend. Stay safe and as always, thanks for watching.